Paige, what's going on?
I have the hiccups.
You have hiccups?
Yes.
I see that. Okay. Do you want to try the... Oh, where are you going? Okay. You want to try the HiccAway and see if it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Thank you.
Does it work?
Yes.
No more hiccups?
Yeah, no more hiccups.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That is fantastic, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool. Do you have hiccups this morning?
Yeah.
I just saw a hiccup. Do you think the HiccAway might help you?
Yeah.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, let's see. Take a drink and let's see if it makes those hiccups go away.
It went away.
That quick? Wait, let's see. Make sure they didn't come back. Did it go away?
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.